Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to add a withdrawal method to your AirTM account, which is essential for cashing out your funds. First, log into your AirTM account on their website or app. Navigate to your wallet or cash box. Next, click on Add Withdrawal Method. You'll see a list of supported options like bank transfers, PayPal, Skrill, and various local payment processors. Then, select the payment method you want to add. You will be prompted to enter the account details, such as your PayPal email or bank account information. After that, AirTM will guide you through a verification process. This often involves confirming small test deposits they send to your account, which you must enter on the AirTM platform to prove ownership. Once verified, this payment method is securely saved and can be used to withdraw funds from your AirTM wallet whenever you need. If this guide helped you set up your cash out method, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.